Welcome to an enlightening journey into the world of children's nutrition. Today, we're going to unravel the intricate connection between what our kids eat and how it influences their overall well-being. The food they consume does more than just satisfy their hunger. It fuels their growth, strengthens their immune system, and even impacts their mood. But did you know that some foods can do more than just that? Yes, we're talking about fermented foods, synbiotics, and personalized nutrition, all power-packed with microbiome-friendly ingredients. Fermented foods like yogurt and sauerkraut are teeming with beneficial bacteria that can give a real boost to our kids' gut health. Synbiotics, a combination of probiotics and prebiotics, work together to create a gut-friendly environment. Then there's personalized nutrition, an exciting new frontier in dietary science that emphasizes nutrition based on individual needs, right down to their unique gut microbiome. And finally, we'll look at microbiome-friendly ingredients that not only nourish the good bacteria in our gut, but also help our body fight off harmful invaders. The science of nutrition is constantly evolving, and it's our responsibility to keep up with it for the sake of our kids' health. So, let's dive in, explore, and learn. Join us as we delve into these fascinating topics. To start, let's unravel the mystery behind fermented foods. Fermentation is an age-old process where microorganisms like bacteria and yeast convert sugars into other compounds, like alcohol in beer or lactic acid in yogurt. It's not just a method of preserving food, but a way to enhance its nutritional value and taste. Think of common fermented foods that might already be a part of your kitchen, like yogurt, kimchi, or sauerkraut. These foods undergo fermentation, which not only amplifies their flavors, but also infuses them with beneficial bacteria known as probiotics. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need these probiotics? Well, probiotics play a pivotal role in our gut health. They help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is a crucial aspect of our overall well-being. A well-balanced gut microbiome aids digestion, supports immune function, and even impacts our mood and mental health. When we consume probiotic-rich fermented foods, we effectively send reinforcements to the good bacteria in our gut, helping them thrive and keep harmful bacteria in check. This balance is especially important for our little ones, whose immune systems are still developing. And the benefits of fermented foods don't stop there. They also have long-term effects that can significantly improve our children's health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of fermented foods can lead to improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and strengthened immunity. Let's break it down a bit. Improved digestion means fewer tummy troubles for your kids, which is always a win. Enhanced nutrient absorption ensures that your child gets the maximum benefits from the food they eat. And a strengthened immune system? That's like equipping your child with a powerful shield against illness. But keep in mind that not all fermented foods are created equal. Some, like certain types of yogurt, can be loaded with added sugars. So, always read the labels and choose options with minimal added sugars and artificial ingredients. Also, introducing fermented foods to your child's diet should be a gradual process. Start with small servings and increase the quantity as your child gets used to the taste. Remember, the goal is not to overhaul their diet overnight, but to incorporate these beneficial foods slowly and steadily. So, are fermented foods magic bullets that will solve all health issues? Certainly not. But they are a valuable addition to a balanced, nutritious diet, playing a significant role in supporting your child's gut health and overall well-being. As we see, fermented foods bring a wealth of benefits for our children's well-being. Incorporating them into our kids' diets can help lay the foundation for a lifetime of good health. So next time you're at the grocery store, why not pick up some fermented foods to try with your family? Moving on, we come to a dynamic duo, synbiotics. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are synbiotics? In the simplest terms, synbiotics are a combination of probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics, as we discussed earlier, are beneficial bacteria that support our gut health. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are the food for these beneficial bacteria. They're typically dietary fibers that our bodies can't digest, but our gut bacteria can. Imagine probiotics as seeds and prebiotics as the soil. Just as seeds need fertile soil to grow and thrive, probiotics need prebiotics to nourish them. When we consume synbiotics, we're essentially providing our gut with both the seeds and the soil, setting the stage for a flourishing garden of gut bacteria. But here's where it gets really interesting. The combination of probiotics and prebiotics in Synbiotics has a synergistic effect. This means that when they're consumed together, their benefits are enhanced. It's like a superhero team-up. They're powerful on their own, but together, they're unstoppable. So, what exactly does this synergistic effect look like? Well, it translates into a healthier, more balanced gut biome. The probiotics help to increase the population of beneficial bacteria, while the prebiotics ensure these bacteria have the nourishment they need to thrive. This dynamic duo works together to support optimal gut health, which, in turn, contributes to overall well-being. But the story of Synbiotics doesn't end there. There's another exciting area where they play a crucial role: personalized nutrition. Personalized nutrition is an approach to health and wellness that takes into account individual differences in people's genetic makeup, gut microbiome, and lifestyle. You see, each of us has a unique gut microbiome, a diverse ecosystem of bacteria living in our gut. This diversity impacts how our bodies process and respond to different foods. For instance, some people might have a gut biome that's particularly good at breaking down certain types of fiber, while others might have a biome that's more efficient at metabolizing proteins. By understanding the unique characteristics of our gut biome, we can make more informed dietary choices. This is where Synbiotics come in. By providing our gut with a combination of probiotics and prebiotics, we're not only supporting our gut health, but also tailoring our nutrition to our unique needs. It's like having a personalized garden in our gut where we choose the seeds, probiotics, provide the right soil, prebiotics, and watch our health flourish. And when we take this personalized approach to nutrition, it can lead to improved digestion, better nutrient absorption, and an overall sense of well-being. In the context of children's health, this is particularly important. By understanding and catering to our children's unique gut biome, we can support their growth and development in a way that's tailored to their needs. So to sum up, Synbiotics are a powerful tool in our nutritional arsenal. They offer a way to support our gut health, enhance the benefits of probiotics and prebiotics, and personalize our nutrition. Harnessing the power of Synbiotics can greatly enhance our children's health. Now, let's turn our attention to some unsung heroes: microbiome-friendly ingredients. These ingredients, rich in antioxidants and helpful in producing antibodies, play a vital role in our overall health. But what exactly are antioxidants and antibodies? Antioxidants are substances that help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause harm when their levels become too high in the body. This damage is known as oxidative stress, and it can lead to chronic illnesses over time. Antioxidants help fight this oxidative stress, keeping our bodies functioning optimally. Antibodies, on the other hand, are proteins produced by our immune system. They are designed to neutralize pathogens such as bacteria and viruses, essentially marking them for destruction. So, how do microbiome-friendly ingredients fit into this picture? Well, these ingredients aid in the production of antioxidants and antibodies, promoting a healthy immune system. They do this by supporting the gut microbiome, the collection of beneficial bacteria that live in our intestines. These bacteria help digest our food, control our immune response, and even influence our mood. Now, why should we be concerned about this in children? The answer lies in the fact that a child's immune system is still developing. By ensuring that kids get plenty of microbiome-friendly ingredients in their diet, we can help their immune systems to develop strongly. This can have a profound impact on their well-being both now and in the future. A strong immune system is the body's best defense against illness. It's like a well-trained army, ready to fend off any invading pathogens. And just like an army, it needs the right supplies to function at its best. That's where microbiome-friendly ingredients come in. They provide the building blocks that the immune system needs to stay strong and healthy. So what are some examples of microbiome-friendly ingredients? Foods rich in antioxidants include berries, oranges, and spinach, while foods that aid in antibody production include chicken soup, garlic, and ginger. But it's not just about individual ingredients. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can provide a wealth of microbiome-friendly nutrients. And let's not forget about fermented foods and synbiotics, which we discussed earlier. These foods are also great for the gut microbiome, providing the beneficial bacteria that help keep our immune system in check. Finally, remember that children's dietary needs can vary greatly depending on factors such as age, activity level, and overall health. So it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider or a nutritionist to determine the best dietary plan for your child. In conclusion, microbiome-friendly ingredients are a crucial part of children's nutrition. By incorporating these ingredients into our kids' diets, we can help them develop a strong immune system, setting them up for a lifetime of good health. With microbiome-friendly ingredients, we can foster a strong immune system in our children. Equipped with this knowledge, how can we apply it practically? Now that's a question that deserves a well-thought-out answer. Let's delve into the fun part. Practical tips and recipes to incorporate the goodness of fermented foods and symbiotic-rich foods into your child's diet. First off, fermented foods. Now I know what you're thinking. My child? Eating sauerkraut? You've got to be kidding. Well, fret not. There are ways to make this happen, and it all starts with small steps. Try introducing fermented foods as a side dish, maybe a spoonful of yogurt with dinner, or a small serving of pickles during lunch. Gradually, as the palate becomes accustomed to these flavors, you can increase the quantity. Now, let's talk recipes. A simple yet delicious one is a yogurt parfait. Layer some plain yogurt, fresh fruits like strawberries or blueberries, and a sprinkle of granola for that crunch. It's a colorful, tasty, and probiotic-rich treat your child will enjoy. Another fun recipe is a homemade sauerkraut slaw. Mix finely shredded cabbage and carrots, add a pinch of salt, and let it ferment for a few days. It's tangy, crunchy, and can be a great addition to burgers or sandwiches. Moving on to symbiotic-rich foods. These are foods that naturally contain both probiotics and prebiotics. Foods like bananas, oats, and asparagus are rich in prebiotics, while foods like yogurt, kefir, and certain types of cheese are rich in probiotics. Here's a quick and easy symbiotic recipe for you. A banana oat smoothie. Blend a ripe banana, a scoop of oats, a cup of kefir or yogurt, and a drizzle of honey until smooth. It's a breakfast powerhouse that's packed with both probiotics and prebiotics. Another recipe that kids usually love is a cheesy asparagus bake. Layer fresh asparagus in a baking dish, sprinkle with shredded cheese, and bake until the cheese is golden and bubbly. It's a simple, tasty side dish that brings symbiotics to the dinner table. Remember, the key is to make these foods appealing to your child. Get creative with presentation, make it colorful, use their favorite ingredients, and most importantly, involve them in the cooking process. Kids are more likely to eat something they've helped prepare. It's also worth noting that every child is unique and their gut microbiome is no exception. What works for one may not work for another. It's important to observe and adjust according to your child's reactions and preferences. If your child is not a fan of yogurt, maybe they'll like kefir or a different type of fermented food. It's all about trial and error, patience, and persistence. And finally, while we're focusing on nutrition, let's not forget about the importance of a balanced lifestyle. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and a stress-free environment are equally important for your child's well-being. In the end, it's about creating a healthy relationship with food, teaching our children to enjoy a variety of foods, to appreciate the flavors, textures, and the amazing benefits these foods bring to our bodies. It's not just about feeding them, it's about nurturing them, building their health from the inside out, and setting them up for a lifetime of wellness. With these tips and recipes, we can make nutrition both fun and beneficial for our children. As we conclude, let's recap our journey. We've explored the importance of nutrition for children's well-being, delving into the roles of fermented foods, symbiotics, and personalized nutrition. We've learned that these elements, when incorporated into our children's diets, can contribute significantly to their health and vitality. Fermented foods, for example, are a natural source of probiotics. These beneficial bacteria support a healthy balance of gut flora, which plays a pivotal role in overall well-being, immune function, and digestion. By including foods like yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut in our children's diets, we're not only introducing them to new flavors, but also nurturing their gut health and bolstering their immune systems. We also talked about symbiotics, a combination of probiotics and prebiotics. Prebiotics are essentially food for our beneficial gut bacteria, and when combined with probiotics, their effectiveness is enhanced. This synergistic relationship fosters a thriving gut ecosystem with long-term benefits such as improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and strengthened immunity. Then we dove into the world of microbiome-friendly ingredients, including antioxidants and antibodies. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, while antibodies are critical players in our immune response. By choosing foods rich in these ingredients, we're not just feeding our children, we're also arming them with the tools they need to stay healthy. We discovered that a personalized approach to nutrition based on gut microbiome diversity can optimize these benefits. Children are unique, and their nutritional needs can vary. By understanding and respecting these differences, we can tailor their diets to support their individual health needs. Finally, we shared practical tips and recipes for introducing fermented foods and symbiotic-rich meals into your children's diets. Remember, it's not just about what we feed our children, but how we introduce these foods. By making the process fun and engaging, we can help our children develop a healthy relationship with food that will last a lifetime. In essence, optimal well-being for our children is not a distant dream, but a tangible reality that we can achieve with the right knowledge and tools. Every bite of food is an opportunity to nourish their bodies and minds, to strengthen their immune systems, and to foster a lifelong love for healthy eating. So, let's seize these opportunities. Let's make every meal count. Let's ensure that our children grow up strong, healthy, and happy, fueled by the best nutrition that we can provide. Remember, every step we take towards better nutrition is a step towards a healthier future for our children. The journey may seem daunting, but with the right guidance and resources, we can make it a rewarding and fulfilling one. As we sign off, we encourage you to continue this exploration. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep prioritizing your children's health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into children's nutrition. Together, we can transform the way we nourish our children one meal at a time.